Hello everyone, and welcome to my final weekly video report. This semester was very productive for me. I worked on several mathematical topics, and at some point I decided to update and improve my direction of my project. Today I want to summarize what I have done and what results I achieved. So let's start. At the beginning of the semester, my project was focused on Green's functions and the boundary value problem for the Laplace equation. I studied classical constructions, solved example problems, and discussed different ideas with my supervisor and the other students. After some weeks, I found research papers that were closer to my personal interests, so I decided to change the direction of my project. I switched to a topic from Fourier analysis, the gross properties of Fourier transforms via moduli of continuity and the moduli of smoothness. In this new direction, I learned several important concepts. I studied how the modulus of continuity measures the oscillation of a function and how the modulus of smoothness describes higher order regularity. I also explored how these moduli can be used to obtain upper bounds for the Fourier transform. During my study, I was able to understand the connection between the Fourier transform and moduli of continuity using several classical results. In particular, I used the Lebesgue-Riemann lemma and Titchmarsh theorem and the Hausdorff-Young inequality. These theorems allowed me to see clearly how the smoothness of a function controls the decay or growth of its Fourier transform. This was exactly what I needed for my project. It matched the direction I wanted to follow. I read textbooks, lecture notes, and research papers, and I summarized the key results into my report. I wrote the introduction, explained the motivation of the problem, and described the main ideas and methods I used. This writing process helped me understand which theorems are fundamental and how they are connected. Alongside my research work, I also continued my teaching responsibilities. I prepared homework assignments, checked the midterm exam, and participated in practice sessions where I helped explain mathematical concepts. To conclude this semester, I successfully completed my research tasks and shifted my project to a topic that fits my academic interests better. I gained new knowledge about moduli of continuity, moduli of smoothness, and their role in estimating the Fourier transform. I also learned how classical theorems like Lebesgue-Riemann, Titchmarsh, and Hausdorff-Young help connect smoothness with transform behavior. Finally, I organized all the results into my written report and improved my teaching and the presentation skills. Thank you for watching my final update.